Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a key holder with mud work. For that, we are taking a block of wood and acrylic wall putty. We will be applying this paste to the block to cover all its holes and marks and to get a smooth surface. We are using a piece of cardboard to evenly spread it. Try to cover the whole surface. It's okay if it is not completely even, we can smoothen it out later. After applying it on all the sides except the bottom, we will let it dry for around 12 hours. As you can see, this is completely dry now. Using a fine sandpaper, we will remove the imperfections by sanding it. Now it is ready to work upon. We just need to remove the dust. First, draw the design. Also mark where you need a hole. Let's drill. This hole is deep enough to hang this block on a nail. Let's drill on the sides. We are going to use these kinds of hooks to hang keys. Before you start painting on it, make sure the size of the holes is perfect for the hook, because it might not look good if you drill again after painting everything. Now, the Lippan or the mud work is done using mud. So, instead of that, we will be using M-Seal here, as M-Seal is easier to work with than mud. Paste the thin strips on your design. After it is complete and dry, paint everything white. Now, it's time to add more colors to it. Look clean, apply white again on the lines. Now it is looking all colorful. We can add the hooks now. similarly, put all the hooks. Now, just the final touches remaining. And we are almost done. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon. Till then, keep bringing your imagination into being.